Hey y'all, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my birthday makeup that I did. I've gotten so many compliments on it, so I figured I would do a more in-depth video. So yeah, before we get started, make sure to hit the red subscribe button down below and hit that bell so you're notified anytime I post a new video. Also be sure to like, comment below what you'd like to see next, and also be sure to follow me on all my socials so you can see more content behind the scenes things. And yeah, let's get started. So I went in and did my brows and primed my eyes off camera, so we can just kind of get started into the makeup. So for the makeup look, I used the Greek Goddess palette by Manny MUA or Lunar Beauty. Though I don't think they sell this palette anymore. Last time I checked, when I used it in a different video and tried to tag it, didn't work. So as long as you have an orange like this and a dark brown like this, then those are the only two matte shades that I'm using. And then for the highlight shade, I used just a regular highlighter. It's the ABH and Breezy one. So if you have something that shines and glitters like that, then you'll have everything you need for this look, or pick whatever colors you would like. So I'm just gonna go in using a nice fluffy brush, shine it off as best as I could. And if you don't have one of these, you need one. You can get these at Dollar Tree for $1.25. It's just a little makeup brush cleaner. Just super easy. If you need to switch from one color to another, just a little swab and you're good to go. So I'm gonna go into that orange first. I'm just gonna slowly start tapping it in the crease in the outer corner. And then I'll start dragging it forward. Just making sure to blend out that edge. I'm doing it in the outer corner first, so when I drag it over, it's not as pigmented as it is over here. It's just a little bit lighter in the front. So I don't want it too dark up there. So I want to keep it nice and open in the front. So make sure you tap basically all of your product in the outer corner and just slowly kind of push the product forward. And you can build it up as much as you like. I think I'm going to stop about there. Just has some nice color in the back, but very soft and faint in the front. I'm just going to go into a bit of a smaller fluffy brush. I'm going to go into that dark brown. We're going to do kind of the same motion, but we're not going to go all the way to the front of the eye. Again, because we want to keep it very light and open in the front. So we're just going to tap in the outer corner. And then just slowly push it forward. About halfway on the eye. So just stop maybe about right there. I'm just gonna push it forward. And you can even blend it out just a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Just keep playing with it. And with the darker color, you definitely want to add just a little bit at a time, because you can always add to it, but you can never take away unless you take it off entirely. So just make sure you take your time. And don't go too crazy. You just like lightly tap and dab just to kind of push it around. It's looking a little crazy. It looks a little more splotchy on camera for some reason. Mine does. But that's okay, because this part will be covered with eyeliner anyways. So now I'm just going to take just some random clean brush. I'm just going to kind of stippling motion. I don't know, just kind of blend over the two. So it'll blend together a little bit more. If you feel like you're losing your orange, then you just go in with some of the orange, tap it off a little bit. Just press it back in there. And it's back. Just ignore the splotchiness. I don't know why it does not look like that in person. I don't know what's going on with the camera. But anyways, the camera's being weird. I'm just gonna keep stippling the two colors together, adding orange if needed until I like how it looks. I think it's getting there. It's a little bit smoky, just a little bit. Can really blend that out. Smoke it out a little more. So now I'm just gonna go in with a nice little flat brush, and I'm just gonna go into the highlighter shade, and I'm going to spray just a little bit of setting spray on it. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the highlighter shade. I'm just gonna like smear it on. Going to drag it. I'm just gonna make it nice and sparkly. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner off camera real quick. You don't have to add eyeliner if you don't want to, but I'm gonna go ahead and add my eyeliner real quick and I'll be right back. My eyeliner decided to go very big and bold today, so that's what we're going with. I go in with some diamonds now. I get a lot of my little diamonds and pearls and stuff from Dollar Tree in the craft section. I'm just gonna use the same diamonds from last time. I threw them on the back of this flash box. So I don't feel like digging out all of that because I have a art tray in front of my makeup, so Lily does not go for my makeup because she likes to tear things up. So I'm just gonna use the same ones from last time. So it's very simple, easy. All you're gonna do is just put the diamonds on in your crease. I did about 7 in each eye last time, and then 1 underneath each. This part does probably takes a little bit of time to do. Very tedious and sometimes a little annoying, but it's all worth it in the end. I'm just gonna do one eye on camera and finish the other eye off camera. And I'm just gonna start right here in the inner corner and go outwards. And I also definitely suggest getting a little diamond picker upper thingy because tweezers are so hard to work with because the diamonds like to go everywhere, especially if you squeeze way too hard. I'm gonna start right there in the inner corner almost in the crease. And to stick these on, I'm just using lash glue. Okay, so that is about the pattern. Just a nice straight in the inner corner all the way to the wing. My eye shape used 7, so depending on your eye shape, how big or small your eyes are will depend on how many diamonds you put there, but for mine it was 7. It's a tedious process, but it's so worth it when you're done. I'm gonna go ahead and off camera do the other eye and add some lashes, and I'll come back for the under eyes and the rest of the look. Yes, we're looking a bit crazy. I went ahead and did my face makeup as well. If you're curious what I do for my face, you can go watch my everyday glam makeup tutorial, my recent one that I did. But since today's video is more focused on the eyes, I just wanted to go ahead and just get the face out of the way. I'm still kind of finishing off my face, but while my nose bakes, I usually do my under eyes, so that's what I'm going to show you now. So for the under eyes, basically what I'm going to do is just do what I did in the crease. So I'm going to use that orange shade first. I'm going to use kind of a small brush like this, just so it fits nicely underneath the eyes. So to take that orange, you're just going to take it all on the under eye. And again, like in the crease, we're going to keep the inner a little more softer than it is on the outer. So I'm going to start on the outer, tapping it out, and then just kind of brushing it forward. Just like that, just nice and soft. Then we're going to take that dark brown color, and we're just going to add it in the outer corner. I'm going to meet in the middle just like we did on the top. And then I'm just going to clean it off and just smudge in the middle. I'm gonna take this Ioni eyeliner. This is like the best eyeliner ever. It's only $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. And it goes on so smoothly, it's so creamy. It's literally the best eyeliner ever that I've ever tried so far. And just some mascara. I was recording, or I thought it was recording, but I already have a diamond in hand, so I'm just gonna place the diamond and then say what I was saying. Okay, so what I was trying to explain is that I only had one diamond on here. I don't know where the second one went, so I'm missing a diamond. So since I already had to pull out the diamonds to get my last one, I was gonna go ahead and show you guys. I was just gonna put up a picture, but since it's already out, why not? These are the diamonds that I get from Dollar Tree. I have some like black and gray ones, some more colorful ones, and then some pink ones. And then these are also the pearls that I get. So if you ever need diamonds for anything or for your makeup look or whatever, Dollar Tree has some really great ones. That's what I use for my eyes, for my diamonds. And so for the diamonds for under the eyes, you're just gonna put them in the center since I already did this one. These ones are super easy to put on too. I'm just going to finish my face with some highlighter and then I will do the lips. Okay, so for lips, it will just be super simple. I'm just gonna go with some chapstick. I always go with chapstick before any of my lipsticks. So I saw this lip gloss on TikTok. It came on my For You page and I was like, obsessed. I need it like immediately. So I made a video on TikTok about it. So if you want to go check that out, make sure to go to my TikTok. But it is the LA Colors Holographic Iridescent Gloss. It is beautiful. This is in the Gold Rush. It is very glittery, very sparkly. If the glitter gloss is not your thing, wouldn't recommend it. But if it is your thing, then I recommend. It's so pretty. Like, I die. And that was it. That's the only thing I used for my lips for my birthday was chapstick and this gloss. Just, it's gorgeous, shimmery. It's so pretty. And it's not sticky at all because I hate the sticky gloss. I've stayed away from glosses for forever because every time I had a gloss, oh, that's cute. Because every time I had a gloss, it was so sticky and I hated it. I hate the feeling of stickiness. I don't like it. This, not sticky at all. It's so pretty and glittery and just, oh. It's a mood. So this was my birthday. So this was my birthday makeup. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, like down below, and hit that bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Also be sure to like, comment below what you'd like to see next, and also be sure to follow me on all my socials so you can get more content, behind the scenes things, and yeah, bye. Hey y'all, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, excuse me. I'm trying to record. You want to say hi? Okay. Almost lost a diamond. Pink. I forgot the color. And voila.